welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Abuche Chi. Welcome back to Intro to Chi. I am your teacher, Chi Madam, and today we are getting into the entire Chi alphabet. Ooh, hold on. Okay, there's a random thing on my screen, but you know what? It's okay. We'll move. So the Chi alphabet. There are only 22 letters in the Chi alphabet. So it's not that bad. There are things in the English alphabet, from A to Z. And that one is what, 26, 27. We have 22 only in the tree alphabet. There are two letters in the tree alphabet that are not found in the English alphabet. That is eh, which looks like a backwards number three, and all, which looks like the backwards letter C. So we have and all. Those are two letters that are in the tree. You will not see them in English. And then there are six, one, two, three, four, five, six in English that are not in tree. We don't have the letter C. We don't have the letter J. We don't have the letter Q. We don't have the letter X. We don't have V. And we don't have Z. So as we do this, just know it looks like English, but it is not English. It is tree. And therefore it's pronounced differently. So keep that in mind. Ready for the alphabet? When I was younger, the way that I first heard it was a be de, e fe ge, he I ke, o n o pe, se te, u we ye. That's how I first heard it. But what I'm going to do today is tell you phonetically how these letters sound in tree. Just like any language, there are exceptions to the rule. And so I will share exceptions as they occur to me. But again, as someone who learned tree at home and at church in New York City, I don't just have the exceptions like right here in the forefront of my mind. So we are going to take this step by step. A, B, D, E, F, G, H, I, K, O, M, N, O, O, P, T, U, W, Y. Okay, so here we go with our examples. Ah, think of the English word Africa. Ah, ah, ane, ane, ane means yes. B, like bait, b. In this lesson, honestly, have your mirror next to you while you're listening to me. B, like the b in bait, b, bra, bra. This is not bra. If you were reading English, this would be bra, as in brazier. But in tree, bra, come, bra, braha, come here, braha, come here. Koho, go there. Ko, go, bra, come. Ko, go, bra, come. A, ane, b, bra, d, d, like den, d, debi, debi. And it's very important, literally stand in the mirror and say den, and say, okay, what is my tongue doing? How much air am I using? Debi, it's the same. Debi, debi, a, b, d, ane, bra, debi, e. So what looks like the letter E in chi is pronounced like pay, a, fie, home, fie, fie. So by the end of this lesson, ooh, what's that? 22 times split. So you will have about 66 new vocabulary words by the time we finish today. Yay! So a fear home, a, and then the letter that looks like the backwards number three, that's the first letter that we have in tree that does not exist in English. Eh, like red, eh, or enter. Eh, 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 eda, eda, day, eda, eda, eda. So if you hear someone say da bang, what day? Da bang. And da bang is what we say. Da bang. Like, when are you coming? What day are you coming home? Da bang na ubeba. When will you come? What day will you come? And da bang. So there are a lot of things in Chi that you hear, usually the short form, short form, short form, short form. And I will try to give you both the long and the short, especially if you're Ghanaian and you have older family members in Ghana and you're going to go and spend time with them. Because the older ones, is going to be Dabeng. It's not just going to be Dabeng. So I want to make sure, or even when we say Machi, Maha, Majo, Memawo, Memawo, instead of just the short form. So, Eda, De, Fu, Fu, like say, Fan, Fan, the air matters. Free hall, free hall, fan, right? Free hall, free hall. Leave from free hall, go away, free hall. So, if you, a dime, free hall. Next and I also the g, Ghana, g. It's the same g as in Ghana or get, g, g. I go kind of like knock knock. So, that's sort of debatable. But if you are entering a place, right? Yes, you want to physically knock, like knock knock, is anybody there? But you'll not we say I go here, like hello, is anybody here in the house? I go g, and then huh. This is what, if you remember, which one of our greetings did I say that light is what I used to remember it? Maha. Hein means light. Hein. So her, head. So the same as in the English word head. The same air that you're breathing, that you're pushing out, head, head. So hein, hang, hein means light. Then you have E. The letter I in tree is pronounced E, like the same E in feel, feel, E. And neem, and neem is face. Manim, my face. Wenim, your face. Nanim, his or her face. Nanim, yahain, my face is like Manim, yahain. Wow. So E, anim, a, b, g, e, f, g, h, e, anim. Okay, let's continue. K, coke, coke, coke. Akuma, heart. Akuma, akoma, akoma, heart. K. Oh, so when you stand in the mirror and say light, light, but slow it down and see exactly how you're saying the L. Light, light. Lud, lud. You might know the game Ludo. It's board game. I If you are not familiar with the game and you're familiar with, I think there's a game called Snakes and Ladders, Shoots and Ladders, maybe Snakes and Ladders. That might be the closest. I've never played that, but I do enjoy playing Ludo. Okay, so Ludo. Mm, mom. So again, mirror and a quiet space. When you say the word mom very slowly, mom is the in mom. Mm, ma, ma, ma means women. Ma means women. Okay, next we have you say the word no, no, or never, never. Nanso, nanso, but nanso, nanso. Then we have oh, oh, open, oh, opuro. Opuro means squirrel. Oh, oh, opuro, squirrel. Opuro, oh. Or when we saw the other akoma, akoma, o, opuro. Now for our second letter that we don't have in English, but we do have in Tree, oh, it looks like a backwards C. Or sometimes if you have people who randomly will text you in Tree, if they don't have the Tree keyboard set up on their phone, they'll use a closed parentheses to signify the awe. And I will tell you this, I used to do the same thing until I started like, I have an iPhone and you can have the tree keyboard. And so once I added the tree keyboard and I started texting in tree with the proper and the proper all. Now when I see the closed parentheses, I see the number three, it annoys me. But that's only because I have other means to write in chi without using it. So all. So think of the English word paw. All, all, auto, augment, autumn, all, or no. Remember that was the pronoun he or she. So we do not have a separate he and a separate she in she. Or no, or no, or, odo, love, odo, love, or no, he or she. We are almost there. P, p, pet, pay, pan, popa, popa. Remember? Ah, popa. So this, in English, you can say papa, maybe. But once you know it's tree, popa, popa, popa. Stir, stir. So the R is very difficult for many people, depending on what language you first started speaking. There's some things in Tree, and I've only realized this as I've been sharing more and more Tree with non-Tree speakers. There are limitations to your vocal cords, which is why if you have young children, please, 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 please teach them Tree when they're young so their cords can really form to more comfortably pronounce certain words. So stir, fra, 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 fra. Or when I say rivière, fra, bra, cra, cra, er, er. And then we have say, sign, sing, snake, sika, money, sika, sika, sika. Oh, fra, mix. Okay. Whew. After this, we have one more, and then we're going to review. Are you still with me? Because even me, I'm sitting here just sharing with you, and I'm a bit tired. My breath, I'm tired. My breath, I'm tired. So I'm going to shake a little bit. Me woso me ho kakra. I'm going to shake a little bit. Me woso me ho kakra. Woso, shake. Woso. Oh, that could have been our W word. Woso. Me wo so me ho. Me means me. Remember, wo ho to say ho now. Me wo so me ho. I'm shaking my body. Me wo so me ho. Me wo so me ho. Because I'm tired. If reset is because if reset my breath. Me wo so me ho. If reset my breath. Okay, that's actually quite helpful. Tuh, pain, tuh, pain, tana, stay, tana, stay, or even sit, tanaste, sit, tanaste. So if you go somewhere and someone's like, oh, tanaste, oh, sit, oh, tanaste, tanaste, sit, tanaste, t, t, ooh, ooh, like true, ooh, ooh, hurry, 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 jump, hmm, see, ooh, ooh, hurry, ooh, hurry. So if you're saying a word like hurry and you're in the mirror and you want to really catch it, who, you're blowing the air out. But then immediately for the re, so with who, your tongue is not touching any of your teeth, top or bottom. It's not who, who. It's almost like your tongue is just randomly in the middle. Who. But then for the re, immediately your tongue has to go back and touch the top of your teeth. Re. If we are still here as a class, I don't know. I feel like we might have to do some sort of in person at some point at one of these Ghanaian restaurants or something. For those of you who are interested, so I can actually show you what it looks like when you're saying these words. 'Cause it really is helpful. It really is helpful. So huri, 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 huri. It's almost as if your tongue is going from not touching anything to going like this. Huri. So like touch the top part of your teeth. Huri, jump. And then we have what 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 means you. That one that's not adding to the vocab. You've known that what means you and me means me since lesson one, I think. Okay. And then the last one is yay. Yes. 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 Yo means yes or okay. Yo mate. Okay, heard you. Yo, I hear you. Okay. Yo. So you might hear your parent might say, "What's the Americano?" You hear what I'm saying? What the Americano? How many words in that phrase do we already know? Wo, we already know. Te, here, te, dear. Another short te, adia, like what the thing. Me, we already know me. Ka, we do know ka is saying, right? Wote the Americano. You hear what I'm saying? Wote the Americano. You hear what I'm saying? Say, ane means yes or yo mate. Okay, I hear you. So I'm gonna go back. Oh, it's actually right here. But no, I want to go back so we can do rapid fire. A, B, D, E, E. So the letter A in chi is pronounced A. The letter E in chi is pronounced A. What looks like the backwards three is A, and what looks like a backwards C is O. So from A to Y, let's go. A, B, D, E, F, G, H, I, K, O, M, N, O, O, T, R, T, U, W. Yes, I'm only going to say the three words on the next page. ane, bra, debi, efie, ẹ̀dá, firi hɔ, ago, hann, anim, akoma, ludu, mmaa, nanso, opro, ɔno, popa, fra, sika, tena, huri, wo, yo. How did you do? I hope that this is going well. Breathe. You're getting there. You're getting there. You're getting there. So in our next lesson, I'm going to do a combination. I'll give you more common phrases, like common questions, and we will do our digraph. Yes, we have basically two more fundamentals to get through. We just said there are three fundamentals to really help um, really retrain your mind in understanding tree. The first is the alphabet. The next ones are the digraphs, and then the final are the diphthongs. And so that's the letter combinations that just have their own unique sound. Like in English, the word phone, if you see PHONE, you know that PH is f, PH is just, and so in tree we have the same, like TW. TW is a digraph. So we have the consonant combinations that make their own sounds, and then we have the vowel combinations that make their own sounds. And so we are going to have to cover those two fundamentals. And then from there, we will do like sentence structure, commonly used vocabulary. We will do like body parts. It's going to get much better. Please stay with me. I hope you are enjoying. And some lessons will be very, very structured, and others might not be. But we are along for the ride, and I will see you in our next lesson. Bye.